Okay, so in which area could an app GSP support, add value to your national strategies or initiatives in relation to climate change adaptation?
Yes. First of all, I want to thank you to give me this chance to talk. And I'm Suhair Safa from Ministry of Planning, Yemen. I'm the director of the NGOs in the Ministry of Planning. The answer of the question is we want this to be for all the country, our country. And in our country, we need financial, we need capacity building, we need experts, so to can reach to our goals next.
And what are the main entry points for NAPS in your country? For example, existing programs, projects, or institutions like climate change steering or technical committees or climate change national commissions.
Okay, thank you. First of all, thank you for inviting me for this interview. And please let me first introduce myself. I'm Fahmi bin Shpraq. I work as a coordinator of climate change unit and one of the focal points of Yemen, the Republic of Yemen, to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. I also one of the team of Yemen in the negotiation for the climate convention. Regarding your question, actually there are some programs, some past and current programs that we work before on the adaptation issue. We have already did our national adaptation program for action. We currently work on the pilot program for climate resilience. The main issue or the main goal of the PBCR is to mainstream the adaptation issues to all our plans and strategies, and it's, I think, the same goal of the NAPS. So these two projects and programs will be the base for us to go ahead on preparing and implementing our NAP.
In terms of capacities, how your existing national capacity can best contribute to medium and long-term planning for climate change adaptation?
Actually, in Yemen, we have an interministerial committee on climate change. It's a high-level committee, and it's responsible for all the climate change issues in the country. This committee will help on integrate the adaptation issues to all the sector, because this committee is composed of all the line ministries in the country, and it's chaired by the Deputy Prime Minister of Yemen, who is also the Minister of Planning and International Cooperation. So this committee will play the role to include all the adaptation issues and aspects into our planning, our strategies. We also looking for make a technical committee, technical climate change committee. It will be the technical part of this committee, and also it will be composed for all the line ministries. We have many steering committees under every program, which also represented by members from all the stakeholders.
And what are at the moment the capacity gaps that exist at individual and institutional level?
After doing this committee of interministerial committee, there is a decision makers here in this committee, but we need now to make or to prepare for a technical committee. I think this is the gap here, where we need a technical experts to be in one committee and to stay together in regular manner, so they can discuss all the adaptation issues, and they can provide technical advices to the committee of the high-level committee, the interministerial committee, so they can decide right.
Okay, now I want to ask the last question to her. So, do you think that the NAP GSP could be useful to your country? If yes, in which way?
Yes, I think it's too useful to our country because we have a lot of problem in the climate in our country. So I think it will be useful to us.
Can you say something more about in which way it will be useful?
Which way?
Can I answer this, please?
Which way?
You want to answer? Yeah, that's good.
So the NAP team will be very useful for us. Actually, we still seek technical advice for our steps to go ahead on adaptation with climate change. We will need a lot of technical advices to how to adapt, how to find the solution, how to get access to financial resource, the available financial resource, and how to direct this resource to solve our problems and our impact on each sector or in every sector around the country, to get the best solutions and to have final goals of this adaptation process.